need to fix the following error in your computer, try fixing it with these potential solutions. First, you can open and run the Windows Store Application Troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, select the Troubleshoot section of your system, click on Other Troubleshooters, select the Windows Store Applications Run option to bring up the troubleshooting tool, and then go through and apply any suggestions the troubleshooter offers. Now sometimes, refreshing the software distribution folder by renaming it can resolve the error. To do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, turn off some services by executing these commands, then to rename software distribution, type in the following, then press Enter. Then, also rename the cat root 2 directory with this command. After that, restart the turn of services by inputting and executing the following commands. Then bring up your Start menu to select Restart. Lastly, reset the Microsoft Store cache. Do it by opening Apps and Features, find Microsoft Store, click More Options, select Advanced Options, then scroll down and select Reset to clear the cache on your computer. So that's how you can fix the following error code in your Microsoft Store error in your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.